Hey everyone, CKB Tino here, and let's talk about making money with cryptocurrency. A lot of people think it's all about investing thousands of dollars into Bitcoin hoping to get rich quick. But what if I told you there's a way to dip your toes into the world of crypto without spending a single dollar? Did you know you can actually earn cryptocurrency for free just by learning about it? That's right, completely free crypto. We're talking about learn and earn programs. And in this video, we'll show you exactly how to take advantage of them. We'll cover the top platforms out there and share some tips to maximize your rewards. This is your chance to get started in the crypto space with zero risk. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all things crypto. Let's get started. Alright, so what exactly are these magical learn and earn programs I keep raving about? Imagine this, you're sitting on your couch, learning about things like Bitcoin and blockchain technology, and boom, you're getting rewarded with free cryptocurrency. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. These programs are offered by some of the biggest names in the crypto space like Coinbase and Binance, and they're designed to incentivize people to educate themselves about this exciting new technology. Think of it as free money, just for expanding your knowledge. Essentially, these platforms have educational modules, often in the form of short videos or articles, covering a wide range of crypto topics. You go through these modules at your own pace, take a quick quiz to prove you've been paying attention, and bam, you're rewarded with crypto. It's that simple. No need to be a tech whiz or a financial expert. These programs are designed for everyone, from absolute beginners who are just hearing about crypto for the first time, to those who already have some experience and want to dive deeper. Now I know what you're thinking. There's gotta be a catch. What's the downside? Honestly, there isn't much of one. The amounts of crypto you earn per module might be relatively small, especially at the beginning, but remember, knowledge is power. And as you accumulate more crypto, those small amounts can add up over time, especially as the value of cryptocurrencies has the potential to increase. Plus, you're not risking any of your own money here. It's a win-win situation. In the next few chapters, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the most popular learn and earn programs available today, from Coinbase Earn to Binance Academy and more. First up on our list is Coinbase Earn, one of the most popular and user-friendly learn and earn platforms out there. If you're completely new to crypto, Coinbase is a fantastic place to start your journey. Think of Coinbase as the Apple of cryptocurrency. It's incredibly user-friendly, has a super clean interface, and it's perfect for beginners. Signing up is a breeze. Just download the app, verify your identity, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the good stuff, earning free crypto. Coinbase Earn offers a variety of courses on different cryptocurrencies, each offering a chance to earn a few bucks worth of that specific coin. These courses are bite-sized, usually taking just a few minutes to complete. You watch a short video, answer a simple question to prove you understood the material, and bam, free crypto gets deposited straight into your Coinbase account. One of the things I love about Coinbase Earn is the quality of their educational content. They don't just throw some jargon at you and call it a day. They actually take the time to explain complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're a complete beginner. Plus, they partner with some big names in the crypto space, so you know you're getting accurate and up-to-date information. Another great thing about Coinbase Earn is that they're constantly adding new courses and updating their existing ones. So, even if you've already gone through all the available courses, make sure to check back regularly to see what's new. They're always adding fresh content and opportunities to earn more crypto. Overall, Coinbase Earn is a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of crypto, learn the basics, and earn a little something extra along the way. Next up we have Binance Academy, the educational arm of Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. If Coinbase is the Apple of crypto, Binance is more like the Google. It's massive, comprehensive, and a bit more advanced. Don't worry though, even if you're a beginner, Binance Academy is still incredibly valuable. They offer a vast library of articles, videos, and glossary terms covering everything from the absolute basics of blockchain technology to more complex topics like technical analysis and trading strategies. Now, unlike Coinbase Earn, where you earn crypto directly for completing courses, Binance Academy takes a slightly different approach. They offer a wider range of educational materials, and while they don't offer direct crypto rewards for completing courses, they do have occasional contests, quizzes, and giveaways where you can win crypto prizes. Think of it like this: Coinbase Earn is like getting paid to attend a crash course, while Binance Academy is like attending a free university with scholarships up for grabs. You might not get paid for every single lecture, but the knowledge you gain and the potential to win big prizes can be even more valuable in the long run. One of the things that sets Binance Academy apart is its sheer depth of content. They cover a wide range of topics, so whether you're interested in decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or just want to learn about the different types of cryptocurrencies, Binance Academy has got you covered. They also regularly update their content to keep up with the ever-evolving world of crypto, so you can be sure you're getting the most accurate and up-to-date information. Another advantage of Binance Academy is that it's completely free to use. You don't even need to create a Binance account to access their educational resources. Just head over to their website and start learning. Alright, let's talk about Crypto.com, another heavy hitter in the crypto space, and their unique take on the learn and earn model with their program called Crypto.com Missions. Now this one is a little different from Coinbase Earn and Binance Academy, because instead of earning crypto directly, you earn something called diamonds. Think of diamonds as Crypto.com S internal reward points. You accumulate these diamonds by completing various tasks, and here's where the learning comes in. One of the primary ways to earn diamonds is by completing their educational missions. These missions are usually short videos or quizzes that test your knowledge about different cryptocurrencies and blockchain concepts. As you complete missions and earn diamonds, you can then use those diamonds to redeem a variety of rewards. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can use your diamonds to participate in lucky draws, get discounts on trading fees, or even stake your diamonds to earn interest in CRO, Crypto.com S native cryptocurrency. So while you're not earning crypto directly from the educational content like you do on Coinbase Earn, you're still getting rewarded for learning and participating in their ecosystem. Plus, the potential rewards on Crypto.com missions can be quite lucrative, especially if you're lucky with the lucky draws or if the value of CRO goes up. One of the things I like about Crypto.com missions is that it gamifies the learning process. Earning diamonds and using them to unlock rewards makes it more engaging and encourages users to stay active on the platform. Alright, let's explore Phemex Learn and Earn, a program that takes a slightly different approach by focusing on teaching you the ins and outs of spot trading. Now, if you're brand new to the crypto world, spot trading might sound a bit intimidating, but don't worry. Phemex Learn and Earn does a great job of breaking it down into manageable chunks. Essentially, spot trading is just buying and selling cryptocurrencies at their current market price. It's one of the most fundamental ways to get involved in the crypto market, and Phemex Learn and Earn wants to equip you with the knowledge and skills to do it confidently. So, how does it work? Phemex offers a series of educational courses that cover the basics of spot trading, from understanding order books and market depth, to learning about different trading strategies and risk management techniques. Each course typically consists of a video lesson followed by a short quiz to test your understanding. Now here's the best part. If you pass the quiz with a perfect score, you get rewarded with a bonus that you can use for spot trading on their platform. It's like getting free money to practice your trading skills. What's great about Phemex Learn and Earn is that it goes beyond just the theoretical aspects of trading. They actually give you the opportunity to apply what you've learned in a real-world setting, albeit with a bonus rather than your own money. This hands-on experience is invaluable as it allows you to get a feel for the market, test out different strategies, and gain confidence in your trading abilities. Alright, now that we've covered some of the top learn and earn platforms out there, let's talk about how to maximize your crypto rewards and get the most out of these programs. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Tip number 1. Be consistent. Like with anything else in life, consistency is key when it comes to learn and earn programs. Don't expect to get rich overnight just by completing a few courses. Instead, make it a habit to check in on these platforms regularly, complete new courses as they become available, and stay up to date on the latest opportunities to earn crypto. Think of it like building a savings account. Small, consistent deposits over time can add up to a significant amount. Tip number 2, diversify your learning. Don't just limit yourself to one platform. As we've discussed, each platform has its own unique offerings and rewards. Explore different platforms, see which ones resonate with you the most, and take advantage of the diverse range of educational content available. This will not only broaden your crypto knowledge but also increase your earning potential. Tip number 3, take notes and do your own research. While these learn and earn programs provide valuable information, it's crucial to remember that they shouldn't be your only source of knowledge. Take notes while you're going through the courses, do your own research, and always be critical of the information you come across. So there you have it, a breakdown of how to earn free cryptocurrency just by learning about it. It's never been easier to get started in the world of crypto, and these learn and earn platforms provide a risk-free and accessible way to dip your toes into this exciting new asset class. Remember, you're not going to get rich overnight, but by consistently engaging with these platforms, diversifying your learning, and staying informed, you'll be well on your way to building a solid foundation in crypto and potentially profiting from this rapidly growing market. Start your crypto journey today. Which platform are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next one.